Spirit Halloween's flagship 2024 has just been revealed. Let's talk about it. Yo guys, it is Maddox Haunts, and as of right now, Spirit Halloween just released their whole flagship plans. So, let's dive right into it. So, this is what I was talking about, you guys. Spirit Halloween has just released it, and there is all sorts of rules, all sorts of everything going on. It is just absolutely insane. I cannot believe that they just released it. It completely blew all of the haunters out of the water for sure with this one. It is absolutely insane, so let's go over it together. They say that the lineup will start at 7 a.m. August 1st. Now, this is absolutely insane, you guys. I can't even believe this. Like, I don't even know what to say. Like, how do they expect people to, like, show up on the first day and, like, not be, it's just, I can't even speak right now, you guys. This is absolutely insane, crazy. I don't even know what to say right now. But let's go through the rules. So they say lineup starts at 7 a.m. with a special gift for the first 200 fans. Lanyards and event exclusive Spirit Halloween swag bags will be given to the first 200 fans starting at 7 a.m. August 1st. Line holding for lanyards is not permitted. Each attendee presents in line will receive one lanyard and one swag bag while supply lasts. For safety concerns, there is no camping on site, in line, or no overnight visitors are allowed. So first, that is just absolutely insane. So let's talk about this. So, like I said, I have no clue how Spirit Halloween is gonna do it. Like I'm like so blown up. I don't even know what to say. Like, how do they expect people to get there the day of when the store opens? Yes, you are hearing me, ladies and gentlemen. The day of the store, when it opens. How are they, like, I don't know. I don't know how they're going to do that. That's going to be insane. Because last year, they let it, like, a day, I think, or day or two. And it was already insane. Like, they had, like, cops called. All sorts of, like, drama. All that stuff was going on. So I have no clue how they're going to do it. Like, I don't understand. We'll have to see, obviously when the day comes. Your boy will probably be at Flagship. I'm pretty positive I will be. Definitely trying to get a better spot in line than, last year. Last year I got some 500. Horrible. But yeah, so, like I said, I have no clue how they're going to do it this year. I mean, this is insane. They're expecting no camping, no nothing. Like, let's just keep going. This is absolutely insane. Okay, let's continue. So, outdoor festivities begin at 9 a.m. The Carnival begins at 9 a.m. with games, special prizes, entertainment, and food, beverages available for purchase for local vendors until festivities conclude at 12 p.m. On-site bathrooms and a hydration station will be accessible for the duration of the event starting at 9 a.m. Okay, so what they're talking about right here, I have an idea, is that if we scroll down a little bit, there's this map right here. And this is like the Holy Grail. Like, everybody's going to be looking at this. So, right here, there is a Spirit Halloween store, just like it was last year, on that little corner. The event parking back there by the very back lot is going to be, I bet you'll be full, just like the event parking right here. It'll be absolutely packed. So, make sure you guys get definitely a good spot, I should say. A very good parking spot, because that's going to be a key. What's it called? Overflow parking, will be here as well. I'm sorry I'm stuttering so much, you guys. I'm just so excited. I can't, like, contain my excitement right now. But, yeah, so overflow parking will be over on, I don't even know where this is at. This is, like, on another lot that Spirit owns. But, yeah. So, in front of the Spirit Halloween store will be the grand opening event. Like I believe they did in 2022, if I'm not mistaken. I believe that they did it in 2022, where they had, like, all, like, sorts of pop-up tents out, like, front, like, of the store and stuff like this. 2023, I know they had it all back in this where supposedly where the event parking was. So we'll just have to see. I know last year as well that they had that some people were sneakily like lining up back on this road. I know, like a couple days before, or like the night, or like 5. I don't even know how many days before, but yeah. So now that's where the bathrooms and water station. I bet you there's gonna be so many police. It's gonna be absolutely insane, you guys. Yeah. So let's go ahead and close this map. Let's continue. So the store opens at 10 a.m. The event, I don't even know what that says, will ask attendees to line up for an early entry approximately 9:30 a.m. and attendees will enter the Spirit Halloween flagship store based on their lanyard number after the official ribbon cutting ceremony at 10 a.m. If you do not have a lanyard, you will be allowed to enter the store on a first come first served basis. After all participants with a lanyard entry with lanyard begins approximately at 10 a.m. and the store will open at 8 p.m. Okay, so what they're saying is just like last year how they had it. After a ribbon cutting, they're gonna have you start lining up, like getting ready to go in the store. Last year they had it all like right in front of like the door. I know 2022, I believe they had it like on the side of the store. Who knows how they're gonna do it this year. But yeah, so another thing is that there's going to be all sorts of like festivities like during the meantime, like before we're waiting for the store to actually open. I'm sure people are going to be peeking inside the store, like, you know what I mean, like how they always do, like, or look through the windows and stuff like that, try to see if they see some stuff. But yeah, I am so excited, you guys. You don't even understand. But also, I just, you know what I mean, I just wanted to you know, come on here, make my first like video about me talking about like, you know, like announcements and stuff like that. But yeah, so I just wanted you guys to know this information. But yeah, so please let me know down in the comments below what you're most excited for this Halloween season, and what do you think about these like these rules, you know what I mean? Please let me know down in the comments below. It is mine, Maddox Haunts, signing out. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.